Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. Today we're covering toilet replacement. We have a 32-year-old toilet right here that still looks pretty good, but doesn't work that well, that we are going to replace. All right, here's the old toilet. This unit is a two-piece, the bowl and the tank, and it's joined together with bolts, nuts, and gaskets. This unit is typical for even today, the way it's designed. We are going to replace this with a one-piece, high-end toilet made by a great manufacturer that the homeowner is going to love. They're pretty, they work well. However, they're everything the plumbers are not going to like in terms of installing it. They're heavy, they're easy to break, and they're expensive. So we're going to talk through that as we go through this job. So here's the old stop valve. It's probably original, may or may not work. We are going to replace it. And here is the old supply line, may or may not be original. We're going to replace it. So we're starting over with the supply valve, the escutcheon on the wall, and this. The escutcheon's just a trim piece, but we want it to look nice. We're now back to the middle part of this toilet installation. We've removed the old toilet and we've done some of the fit up for the new toilet. The team that's doing this installation is Dallas and Anissa.
Hi.
And I'd like Dallas and Anissa to speak a little bit about how this new installation is going to work. So I'm turning it over to them.
So the standard removal of the toilet is like any other, and we leave intact the original flange. It's located under this device. This offset riser is a little different, but it works really well, and it just installs over your old flange, secures to the floor, and you've got some moving parts in here that when you set the toilet will seal around this, and then these come up and sort of lock it into place. So it's a little different system, but it works quite well for securing the toilet. Not much required as far as modification from your existing flange. It's just something that fits right over it and retrofits it for your new toilet. After you've secured your toilet, you have small access ports on the side where your bolts lock it into place, and you pop these little caps on there and those holes are gone. So it's a very sleek finish, very nice, and very aesthetic.
We are at the good part of this high-end toilet installation now. It's done and we're ready to use it. A few comments about the installation. One is we've replaced everything from the wall, including the escutcheon, which is cosmetic, the stop valve, the supply line, the toilet itself, all the way down through the wax ring, and we've caulked the edge. So everything has been replaced. It's important for you to do that. All those other components are very inexpensive to replace, and now's the time. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, or if you're in Austin, Texas, reach us at efficienttexas.com. Bye now.